So, when you are going to plant what we call spawning, putting spawn into the substrate, you have to make sure that you are in an enclosed area. So I always do it in an enclosed area, always in the mornings when all the air is settled, there is no wind, so that the microorganisms are not blown around. So this is the substrate that we have drained. It is here. This is how it looks like. So, bucket. So this is a disinfectant that I'm applying onto my hands. Then I get the spawn. Just put the spawn. Yeah. So this one is complete. Start another one. If you put very little spawn, then colonization will take quite a long time, and by the time it takes place, infection will have set in. So you're supposed to put enough spawn so that they can easily colonize. So this is the final product. These are the mushroom blocks or mushroom buckets for the cotton substrate that was just boiled. These are the 3 buckets that we got, and this is after 2 days. I think you can see the layers we put of grain spawn can be seen to start growing mycelium. So here, since the holes were big, we put some toilet paper. That's toilet paper, but these are the mushroom blocks.